From the delightful sponge of a classic vanilla cake to the rich layers of a decadent chocolate gâteau, cakes are a universal treat enjoyed by many. But have you ever pondered how these delicious confections are produced on such a massive scale to meet global demand? The answer lies in the fascinating world of automatic cake factories, where advanced machinery and precise processes come together to create millions of cakes efficiently and consistently. 1. Ingredient preparation. The foundation of every cake. The journey of mass-producing cakes begins with the meticulous selection and preparation of ingredients. High-quality raw materials such as flour, sugar, eggs, butter, milk, and leavening agents are sourced from trusted suppliers and stored under optimal conditions to maintain freshness and consistency. Temperature-controlled storage ensures that perishable ingredients like eggs and dairy remain in peak condition, preventing spoilage and ensuring food safety. Automated systems then take over, precisely measuring and dispensing these ingredients in exact proportions. Advanced weighing and mixing technology ensures that every batch meets strict quality standards, eliminating variations that could impact the cake's flavor, texture, or rise. This scientific precision is crucial in large-scale baking, as even minor deviations can affect the final product's moisture content, softness, and overall consistency, making accuracy a key component in delivering a perfect cake every time. 2. Mixing. Achieving the perfect batter. Once the ingredients are prepared, they are transferred to industrial mixers. These mixers are designed to handle large volumes, blending components at high speeds to achieve a smooth and homogeneous batter. The mixing time and speed are carefully controlled, as overmixing or undermixing can lead to undesirable textures. Advanced sensors monitor the batter's consistency, making real-time adjustments as needed to maintain the desired quality. 3. Depositing. Precision in portioning. After mixing, the batter is moved to depositing machines. These machines play a critical role in portioning the batter into molds or baking trays. Utilizing advanced technology, they ensure each mold receives an identical amount of batter, which is essential for uniform baking and appearance. This step eliminates human error and speeds up the production process significantly. 4. Baking. Transforming batter into cake. The filled molds are then conveyed into large-scale industrial ovens. These ovens are equipped with multiple zones, each with precise temperature and humidity controls. The baking parameters are tailored to the specific type of cake, ensuring optimal rise, texture, and flavor. Conveyor systems move the cakes through the oven at a consistent pace, allowing for continuous production and efficient energy use. 5. Cooling. Setting the structure. Once baking is complete, the cakes must be cooled to set their structure and prepare them for packaging or further processing. Automated conveyors transport the cakes to cooling tunnels, where controlled air circulation brings them to the desired temperature. Proper cooling is vital to prevent condensation, which can affect the cake's texture and shelf life. 6. Packaging. Ensuring freshness and safety. The final step in the production line is packaging. Cakes are transferred to packaging machines that wrap them in materials designed to preserve freshness and protect against contamination. Depending on the product, packaging can range from simple plastic wraps to elaborate boxes. Automated labeling systems then apply product information, including ingredients, expiration dates, and barcodes, ensuring compliance with regulatory standards and facilitating distribution. The mass production of cakes in modern factories is a testament to the seamless integration of automation and culinary expertise. Each step, from ingredient preparation to packaging, is meticulously designed to ensure that every cake meets high standards of quality and taste. So, the next time you savor a slice of your favorite cake, you'll have a deeper appreciation for the sophisticated processes that make such delightful indulgences readily available. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look into cake production, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fascinating insights into the world of food manufacturing.